Two-factor authentication not working on TradeZero Fix. If you're locked out of your TradeZero account because your two-factor authentication isn't working, don't worry, it's a common problem with a few easy solutions. Most users assume their codes are wrong, but the real culprit is often time drift or outdated software. Let's start with the number one fix. Go to your phone's date and time settings and make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. Two-factor authentication relies on time-based codes that refresh every 30 seconds. Even a few seconds of mismatch between your device and TradeZero servers can cause the codes to fail. After sensing your time, open your Authenticator app and tap Time Correction for codes for sync now. Next, update both your TradeZero app and your Authenticator app. Old versions can cause communication errors that make your codes invalid. Visit your App Store and ensure both are updated to the latest versions. If you're using text message authentication and not receiving codes, toggle airplane mode for a few seconds, restart your phone, or switch to a stronger mobile network. Carrier delays or signal issues are often to blame. If you've changed phones, reinstalled your authenticator, or recently restored a backup, you need to reset your FA. On the TradeZero login screen, click Can't Access FA and follow the verification steps. Once confirmed, set up your new authenticator to restore access. Here's something most traders overlook: always save your backup recovery codes in a safe location. They can instantly get you back into your account if your phone ever stops working. So, if your two-factor authentication isn't working on TradeZero, take a few minutes to sync your clock, update your apps, and refresh your network. These quick steps solve the problem for nearly everyone and get you back to trading securely in no time.